Alright, kita bersama Azhan, intern Persatuan Bank-Bank dalam Malaysia atau ABM yang telah menamatkan internship bersama ABM. Dan Azhan ni dia dalam unique position sebab dia dah tamatkan internship and then dia dah kerja. Nah, hari ni datang balik nak bagi interview tentang pengalaman sebagai intern. So Azhan, bagaimana pengalaman anda setakat ini sebagai seorang pekerja di company anda?
Company sekarang?
Yes.
So far, Alhamdulillah semua okey, tak ada masalah. Benda baru dalam hidup saya, forensic accountancy. But I try my best to gain experience, learning every day, master learning lah. So good lah, okay lah. Environment pun okay. I also have 5 intern on my team.
So now kita berbalik kepada time you semasa you intern dekat IBM. Bagaimana pengalaman you sebagai intern dekat IBM?
Okay, so first of all, mula-mula takut sebab banyak dengar daripada mulut-mulut kawan-kawan, lecturer semua kata, oh kau kerja dengan orang-orang tua, so orang tua ni banyak PL dia macam ni. But bila I'm join the IBM, maybe I can prove to my friend they all wrong lah, because I can see the second family inside the IBM. I have Swichu, I have Aimee, I have Amaya, Jenny, I have Dr. I also have same like my brother lah, Abang Zod. Always duduk sebelah I je bila I bekerja, tapi so far diorang for me it's my family lah. It's not about the kerja, tapi it's more kepada family I lah. Banyak tangga I semua. Good.
So boleh kata ABM family ni, walaupun ABM family ni tua-tua, tapi kami berjiwa muda lah.
Boleh dikatakan macam tu sebab so far okay lah. I can maybe before this I not believe. I only believe my family. Everything I will talk about to my family only. But when I join the IBM, I know I have another pupil I can trust except family lah.
Okay, Azhan, if you could give some advice to the next batch of interns in ABM, what advice would you give them?
For me, I think advice for the HR lah. Maybe HR can take the intern their course lah. It's not about cost is account and then you put the operation. It's not budak takkan belajar banyak benda lah for me lah. And then if I the financial technology, I come to corporate affair and then tough also for me. But alhamdulillah 6 months I survive. The HR can make the tapis lah, mana yang kau intern yang baru masuk, at least ambil lah apa yang berkenaan dengan job scope dia.
Alright Azhan, thank you very much for your time. We wish you all the best as you continue your working career, and maybe one day we will see you back at ABM again, insyaAllah.
InsyaAllah. Okay, thank you Abang Zul.
Terima kasih Azhan. Okay.